care. Echo, echo, echo vibration. Echo, echo, echo vibration. Echo, 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 echo vibration.
What do you have to say to the public about this pandemic crisis? Any words of advice or encouragement?
I would say the best advice I can give you is do everything to boost your immunity. Just stay healthy. In as much as you're obeying the laws, if you're staying at home, if you don't have any business going out, that's all good. If you're wearing face masks, that's all great.
Yeah.
It's all gravy.
Just boost your
But
immunity.
the most important thing is to boost your immunity. Stay healthy, because even, let's forget even the COVID-19, you have to stay healthy to fight, to enable your body fight the everyday infections that can challenge our health. So just stay healthy, eat right, exercise as much as you can, cardio overweight, especially at times like these.
Just want to let you all know that you should not let this period coronavirus get to y'all. Just want you to know that you're never alone. We are one, and together we are stronger. God bless you all.
As we can't join hands, so we decided to join voice to promote unity and strength during this period. Together we defeat this enemy.
I want to use this channel to send out my love to everyone who's been affected positively and negatively by this coronavirus pandemic, especially to those who's been isolated because they've been affected badly. I want you all to know that my heart is with you. Stay strong. And then for the rest of us who are still safe and healthy, let's keep washing our hands. Let's adhere to the lockdown instructions from the government. So let's just keep staying safe.
Don't let this period get to you. Just know we're never alone. We're in this together, and together we are stronger. So take heart, stay safe.
I want to tell you, stay home, stay safe. After this, we're gonna turn up big time. You already know we're gonna turn this shit up. But stay at home. If you want to go out, use your hand sanitizers, wear your glove, wear your face mask. Corona ain't nobody's baby, though.
Just stay safe, just stay positive, and join hands and voices together so we can get through this difficult time. So spread love and not rumors, please. I stand with Echo Vibration.
Don't let this period get to you. Just know you're never alone. We are one together, and together we are stronger.
I just want to say, I know we're living in crazy times, we're living in scary times, and the best we can do is try to help reduce the spread of the virus by washing our hands regularly, using the hand sanitizers regularly, wearing a face mask, avoid social gatherings, and just stay home, stay safe. I know it's hard out there. Everybody's complaining, staying home is not helping, but it's for your own good, and let's just pray to God to help us out of this situation. And I know and I believe we're going to conquer this, and it's going to be a thing of the past. So let's all just stay indoors, stay safe, wash your hands, use your hand sanitizers, and if you're having any symptom of the virus, there are lots of helplines you can call. And so let's just play our part, and God be with us.
Please guys, let's stay strong, let's stay together, let's stay quarantine, let's stay safe. Don't let's lose hope, don't run, don't worry, everything will be alright, we will be alright now, small. Peace.
Sensitive period. To those that have lost their life, we pray that they get mercies from God. And to those that have lost their heroes, in times of help, you're gonna see your helper. I quickly want to say this: the best thing we need to do right now is to stay safe. One man can change the world. You can change the world. And how do you change the world? Staying at home and staying safe. Wash your hands, abide by the rules and regulation that has been dropped by NCDC. And I
tell you to observe social distancing, practice personal hygiene, make sure you don't go out unnecessarily, only go out if you must go out. Make sure you keep safe, because we need you. We need you when we're back on stage. We need you when everything is back to normal. And we need you to be healthy and healthy by then. So I want you guys to stay strong. Try and work from home if you can. Practice some creative measures. Make sure you get into other vocational activities. Don't just sit around.
Together, we can thrive through this crisis. Just do the basics. Use hand sanitizer,
wash your hand from time to time, and never to be caught without a face mask.
Like, yeah, these are tough times, but also you should always look at things in like a positive view and in a positive way. I feel like this should be a time where we can just sit back and reflect on the things we've done and the things we are yet to do.
I just want to make sure we are staying safe, using our nose mask all the time, sanitizing, washing our hands regularly, staying safe, practicing social distancing, not putting our hands into our nose, our mouth, our eyes. Please stay safe and practice social distancing. Thank you.
Just to stay stronger and keep going. I feel the pandemic was only meant to bring the world together, and I feel we're going to get over this. COVID-19 pandemic has been a crazy one. I must say, a very crazy one. It has affected a lot of lives. A lot of people have been infected, a lot of deaths. It's not been easy because it has affected businesses and everything. It's not been easy for every Nigerian. It's not been easy for every Lagosian. But as I know, we're in Lagos and we can't break. Nothing can break us because we're Lagosians. We're strong like that. So don't break. This is just the phase. We're going to pass, and it's going to pass, I believe, very soon, and I pray very soon. So for the meantime, stay safe, maintain all precautionary methods, reach out to people. Please, you need to reach out to people now because everybody is not sane, honestly. So reach out to people. It's really sad. It's really sad. The whole pandemic thing is sad, but then there's nothing we can do about it aside taking precautionary methods and everything.
COVID-19 is real. Remember to wash your hands regularly and frequently. Avoid touching your face. Ensure social distancing, and also stay home. Remember to reach out to your loved ones, your friends, your relatives, and mask on, guys.
You guys should know the world is going through a lot. We're going through a very serious pandemic, and I need you guys to please stay safe, stay happy, and most importantly, when going out, please use your face masks. And social distancing is very important. Stay safe, guys. Stay happy always. I stand for a greater Eko, and I stand with Eko Vibration for life.
We're all going through a lot because of the pandemic, but I beseech you to please keep staying safe, keep observing your social distance, and sanitize frequently. I'm sending love to those who are down with the virus or have lost somebody to the virus. I pray you heal well. Let's all remember we are in this together, and we'll beat this together.
If it's not relevant for you to go out, please stay in your house and maintain social distancing, and also abide by the rules and regulations of our country. Thank you.
With the pandemic going on, I have to say it's not been easy at all. Staying at home, having to do all these precautions they said we should do right now. It's been tough, but we've been trying, and I genuinely hope and pray we move past this soon. To all the affected families, I'm sending my prayers and love.
Goes out to everyone affected by the pandemic, just to let you know you're not alone. And if you have to go out, don't forget to stay safe using masks. I prefer this because it's safer. And don't forget to sanitize your hands. Also, don't forget to do things to keep you busy. You'll be listening to music. And you can also be reading a book. Whatever makes you happy, whatever makes you feel safe, whatever gets you through the day. Peace and love.
To encourage every one of us that we would all get through this. It's just for us to make sure that we stay safe, stay at home, and while also staying healthy too. And then let's make sure that we all play our part so we can all get back to hugging each and every one of our friends easily. Thank you.
All we need to do is to obey the rules and regulations that has been stipulated by the government to live a healthy and happy life. Basically, wash your hands with soap, use alcohol-based sanitizers, and don't forget your face mask. And as you're out there, make sure you socially distance yourself now that the lockdown has been eased.
Eko vibration. I'm from the city that never sleeps, yeah. Everyday men, we hustling 247 trying to make the cheese. Then we gon' party till the time hits it. If you can make it here, you can make it anywhere. Dreams will come true, don't have no fear. Lagos City, alright.